Today at shopdap.com, we're going to be installing a suspension brace on our B8.5 S4. Okay, so this 034 Motorsport suspension brace we're going to be installing on our vehicle. This will help tighten the chassis of this vehicle up a little bit, make it a little more stable during any type of track use and stuff like that. So with that said, let's get into our install. Okay, so to install our brace, we're going to remove our belly pan. So we're going to take off our screws that mount it in place. All right, take our last one down, and we can slide this out of the way. So what we're going to be replacing is this brace right here. So there are mounting screws here, triple square, and then we have 18s at the rear here. So we're going to remove our triple squares first. This is a 14 millimeter triple square. We're going to take off our 4 18 millimeters. At the back, you will want to make sure as we approach our last one that you are holding on to this thing. Okay, on our brace, we have two different variations. If you see, there are two different holes here. They mate with these brackets that they include. You actually have to determine whether you're using this position or this position. So we're going to look at our vehicle. So you can see here, you have this position or this position, and that is going to be our position given this vehicle. The other vehicles would use the other position, and we're going to go back and show you what we got to do to bolt these on. Since these are threaded, you actually put these included bolts from the back side in on both those units, and then we tighten them down. Now we're going to reinstall our bracket here. The hardware included for these is going to be the hardware you need for the mounting some of the brackets and such. Bolts we're dealing with right now for this are intended to be some one-time use. So these bolts you would want to replace. We will link to them in the description where you can find the one-time use bolts. Now that we got these snugged up here, we are going to torque these in place. The rear ones, we will include the torque specs here, and the front ones as well. All right, we're all set and torqued in place. Now we can reinstall our covers. So what I'm doing is swapping these, twist these half turns, or that's what I call them, at the back with these machine screws. And you can reuse these rubber things that keep these in place so that they're not falling out and you're not struggling with them when you're going in and out. They just stay exactly where they're supposed to, and you can then tighten them in place. We are all installed. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like it.